QuickApp is the fastest way to build ASP.NET Core Angular applications. It is a project template designed for modern web single-page applications that combines the power of ASP.NET Core on the backend and the elegance of Angular on the front end, two of the leading frameworks for modern web applications that will help you build your own SPA applications in no time. QuickApp is a complete package you can run right out of the box. You download it and hit run. Then you have a working starting project to kickstart your own project. The database and other initial assets are generated for you, leveraging the familiar tools from the ASP.NET Core Angular ecosystem. QuickApp provides a comprehensive set of features that are commonly required in applications. You'll benefit from an end-to-end implementation of login, user and role management, as well as other various functionalities for quick application development. QuickApp uses standard familiar technologies like ASP.NET Core Web API, ASP.NET Core Identity Framework, Entity Framework, Swagger, Automapper, Angular CLI, and Twitter Bootstrap or Angular Material depending on your flavor of QuickApp. QuickApp is feature-packed and provides you with common services that are often needed in applications, such as a complete backend and front-end project structure to build on, integrated login, registration, password reset, email verification, social media logins such as Google, Facebook, Twitter, Microsoft, OpenID authentication and service for seamless integration with external providers, user and permission-based role management, audit logs, session timeout and lock screen, data access layer built with a repository and unit of work pattern, a code-first database, a RESTful API design, ready-to-use email service, CRUD APIs, dialog and notification services in Angular, a configuration page and service in Angular, localization support for multiple languages, theming with Sass, secure handling of access and refresh tokens using bearer authentication, and much more. What sets QuickApp apart from other solutions is its commitment to simplicity. It is not over-engineered and is very easy to wrap your head around. That is because QuickApp is not another framework you need to learn. It doesn't develop its own patterns and conventions you need to track and adapt your project to. Instead, it is a compilation of the best practices from the existing framework you already know and use. It uses the documentation from the framework vendors to compile a startup project that is straightforward without engineering yet another framework. QuickApp has a very short learning curve. This means that you can start writing your own code within minutes of downloading QuickApp, enabling you to focus on the business logic of your application and stay ahead in the development cycle. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced developer, QuickApp's short learning curve makes it a preferred choice for rapid application development. It eliminates unnecessary complexity, allowing small to medium-sized teams to maximize their resources and create leaner applications. Your existing knowledge of ASP.NET Core and Angular is sufficient to start using QuickApp today. If you are ready to give QuickApp a try, you can download it today. Check the description below for the link. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this introduction to QuickApp informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and I'll be happy to respond. In my next video, I'll demonstrate how to build a complete app from start to finish using QuickApp. If that's something you are interested in, let me know in the comments. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more app development tutorials and updates. Stay tuned and happy coding.